Do cheaters deserve a second chance? Kung si JC, oo. Ayun! Napaka-rupok! Wala tayong magagawa dyan. Di ba? Alam mo, ang lala na naging relationship namin. Relationship! Ayun na, nag-iba na yung kwento. Hindi, wala lang. I mean, in honesty, hindi. Hindi talaga. Ayun, it's a no for me. Pero kung si JC nga, ewan ko, mapapaisip ako dyan. Charing. Thank you, yun lamang po.
Thank you so much, Sasa girl! Okay, next up, go Mika.
Hello po, magandang hapon po. Ako po si Mika Salamanca and I play the character Jewel, very sensual. Yun lang po ang aking masasabi muna. Ang sagot ko po sa tanong is no. No talaga. Kasi, ewan ko, pagka kasi nachitan ka na, may lamat na eh. Totoo yung sinabi ni Kuya Khalil, hindi mo na mababalik yung tiwala. And magsasuffer lang yung relationship nyo. So, it's a big no.
Yes, thank you so much, Mika Salamanca. Okay, AC, go.
Good afternoon po. Hello po everybody. I'm AC Bonifacio and I play Ingrid here, your conservative friend who loves to protect you but will also be there for you through all of it. To answer the question, I think it's simple. I think we've all been on the same page, but no, they obviously don't deserve a second chance. But at the same time, why would you even allow yourself to be with a person who could cheat on you? I think it's more of on yourself and like, do you deserve another person who could do that to you type of thing. But yeah, yun ba? Okay.
Let's give it up for AC Bonifacio. Thank you so much. And of course, ito na, si Cherry.
Yes,
Go
Diana.
Barbie.
Thank you. Thank you. Una po sa lahat, ngayon pa lang ay nagpapasalamat na po ako dahil yung mga telepono nyo yan, alam kong mamaya, bukas, ilalabas nyo na yan para tulungan kaming i-promote ang aming pelikula. So, from the bottom of my heart, really, thank you all so much. Your presence is the best present today. Thank you, thank you. I am Barbie Forteza. I play the role of Cherry. Can I say, bakit po Saving Cherry ang title? Okay. Ang role ko po dito, I am the wildest virgin you will ever see. And you will find out why. And do cheaters deserve a second chance? Fuck no. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Barbie Forteza with the F, riba. Wait, but before everything else, we also want to greet Barbie. A happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ate!
Salamat po.
Happy birthday, Barbie! We are so happy to celebrate your birthday with you today. Okay, so we're not only celebrating Barbie's birthday, we are also celebrating, of course, Saving Cherry. Congratulations to all of you. Okay, eto naman, syempre, we have some questions here for you guys. Let's start things off with Barbie. Okay, Barbie, how is Cherry different from all of the characters that you've played in the past? And how did you approach preparing to bring Cherry to life?
How is Cherry different? She is the wildest woman I've ever portrayed. To date. Wow, may susunod. To date. May mas wild pa. No, yon. Siya yung wildest and most freeing, I think, for me. And lahat yon pinagpapasalamat ko kay Direk Ivan. Kasi not just yung role, pero yung freedom of parang approaching every scene. Binigyan niya kaming lahat ng buong laya as to how we understood every scene. Nakinig siya sa amin. He is a really good captain. And we all thank you. Thank you so much. And also to Regal, ano ko po ito, comeback ko po ito sa Regal. So thank you again. Maraming salamat po. Yun.
Thank you so much, Barbie.
Thank you. Ay, how did I prepare?
How did you prepare for
How did
Cherry?
I prepare? Ay, in-unleash ko lang yung wild side ko. Wow!
Yes.
Yeah. yun lang. Actually, ang saya. Kasi, aminin naman natin, hindi naman lahat, pag mabait, diba? So, hindi ko rin akalain na may ganun din akong side. Wild pero, may dahilan, may lalim, and most of all, I think, so far, ito yung most mature role ko because we will tackle about marriage eh. Ito yung role ko na kasal na ako agad-agad, umpisa pa lang. So, ito rin yun. So, marami ho talagang pagdadaanan ng pelikula namin and we would all love for all of you to join us in this journey. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Barbie. We are so excited to see yung yung role mo as Cherry. And ito naman, sa Barkada, of course, for Mika, AC, Sasa, and Mikey. Okay, syempre alam naman natin na medyo mahirap minsan to have chemistry as a Barkada. So we have to know, what was your approach to building your on-screen sisterhood?
Ayan na.
Go, girls.
Okay, kasi ganito yon. Oh, lako.
Go.
Ito ang podcast.
Ito ang totoong podcast. Okay, go.
Actually, hindi day one eh.
After ng look test.
Look test.
Oo.
Ano kami, nagkakahiyaan.
Yes,
Oo.
as in like during the look test, you could tell na talagang awkward kami.
Awkward kami!
Then it was like, dance together, ad-lib, and we
Then
put it
mahal,
together.
bakla.
Oo.
Oo.
Yes.
Idea ni Barbie na magkita-kita kami ng isang inuman.
Yes.
Ayan na nga. At sino ang nag-organize?
Ayan, syempre ako
Our
nag-host.
mother.
Ayan, bilang
Our
tita ng
mother.
ng mga to. Nang unang araw pa lang inaate ako ng mga to. Diyos ko po, nakakatita talaga. Pero
Ate Mikey.
in character. Kasi ako po ang unang kinasal sa buong barkada.
Yes, tapos sa
Ayan.
totoong
Oh,
buhay
si
din,
Ben.
parang tita, ang daming kwento.
Yeah,
Nakakaloka.
totoo! Pero,
Trauma dump siya sa amin. Nakakaloka.
oh, sino bang dahilan ng isa sa mga trauma? Okay, we have to explain.
Kwento
this.
mo!
Ma-overwhelm
Oh
sila.
my God!
Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan.
Basically,
Promo to.
naglabasan ng mga sa
Okay,
kanya.
okay.
Oo.
Kalma, kita nyo na yung chaos,
Sorry.
guys. Ganto yung movie. Okay. Okay, cause that night, nung nagplano kaming uminom nga at my place, syempre we're all working together. And from my experience sa acting talaga, diretso kasi akong tao. Kailangan kong sabihin diretso kapag ilang ako sa kan. Kapag kunyari, we were gonna work together, I have to tell you. Cause that's how I become more sincere also. Kaya ko maging totoo. So,
Wala
eto na.
eme-eme, kumbaga. Oo.
Diniretso ko si Sasa na parang, alam mo dati nainis ako sa'yo.
Correct. Lasing ka na nun, Day. Nakakaloka.
Ay, hindi pa.
Ako, lasing na ako nun.
And then at the moment, parang agad nagpalakpak. Itong si Barbie, si AC tumawa. And then, I had to acknowledge lang na before, it's not a secret naman na hate ako sa isang...
Dahil sa thesis, sabihin mo na, Diyos ko naman.
Yung thesis. Oh, yung thesis.
Di ba
hate ko.
may issue kasi siya dati, nung
Pero
pandemic.
si Sasa, ginawa ng content.
Oo, sinakyan ko.
Sinakyan
Eh, di naman
niya.
kami close
Sabi
kasi.
ko, sino ba tong
Oo.
Sasa girl na to? Hindi kami close. Kung sakyan niya yung hate sa akin, parang, close ba tayo, te?
Ganun talaga.
Ganyan.
Sabi ko, ganun talaga. Noong mga oras na yon medyo nangangailangan pa ako ng maraming clout. Oo. So, clean out, chase kita, girl. Pasensya na. Oo.
And then, pero that's what made us close. So, talking about it that night,
Sana nga hindi na lang kita kilinos eh.
Ay, nagsisi
Ang
ka.
annoying mo sa set, totoo lang.
oh my God!
Charot.
Uy, magtira kayo para sa mga podcast natin.
Okay, sige,
meron
sorry.
pa, marami pa.
Okay,
Huwag lahat
ulitin lang
today.
natin yung mga chika.
But really, doon nag-start lahat. So, first of many hangouts na din yun at my place. And umabot na din kami sa labas. And yeah, and I think that really helped with our rapport on screen din. Kasi hindi na ako nahihiyang hawakan mukha nung mga to, like mag-adlibs in the middle of the scene. Nakatulong, di ba?
Close na kami ngayon. Nakakainis.
Pero yeah. Yan po, isa pa lang yun sa mga kwento. Medyo malakas yung tension ng moment, pero winner naman, di ba? Okay, good ending.